This is the homemade target that we built for knife throwing and star throwing. As you can see, it's taken quite a beating recently. It's poked through in a lot of areas. You can see daylight on the other side. Tonight we're just going to be replacing this center board. It's actually constructed of 3 2x10 boards. Each of are in place with 4 sheetrock screws that hold the 3 boards in place, top and bottom. We're just going to replace the center board. That's the one that's most damaged. I've already taken out a few of the screws just to speed this up. So I'm just going to remove the remaining screws. Trying not to lose nails. Now that we've removed all the screws, it's just a matter of tapping out the old board. You see chunks falling out of the other ones. Alright, that one's done. And we've got our replacement. Brand new, shiny, nice and smooth. This one's just going to lay right in place where the old one was. Get it nice and even. Okay, now we've got the board flipped over and we're ready to replace the screws into the new board, and we're going to use the existing holes that were already there from the last board. Okay, and we're ready to go. Now we just need to make sure the boards are even. As you can see, this one's sticking out just a little bit. And we'll just kind of push it in until it's flush all the way across. And putting some pressure on the board. Okay, now we've got this end done, so we're going to move over to the other side. And here it is, the replacement. It's all ready to go. 3 new boards. All we need is a couple of stars. Easy enough.